Hi, my name is Justin Tiffenback. I'm the new body shop manager here at Dahl Ford. Some of you may or may not recognize me as a former technician and former assistant manager. Jerry took great pride in his customer service. I plan to carry that tradition. I've got a few ideas of my own that we're going to implement, and I look forward to serving you in the future.
Hi, I'm Jerry Pratt, service manager here at Dahl Ford. I may look familiar to some of you because I've been here 25 years. Spent most of my time in the body shop as the body shop manager. I'm looking forward to this experience here in the service department, bringing a whole new attitude and a whole new experience to our customers. We've added a lot of new team members and a lot of new processes, hopefully to provide the customers with the experience that they deserve. If you're looking for service repairs
or collision repairs,
call us at 563-391-2600.